Hi guys, my name is Inderjeet and I'm currently making this video on the subject of why people are cribbing due to the extension of lockdown. Should they or should they not? So just to put a few things in perspective, I would like to draw a comparison between the present day pandemic lockdown and the Chernobyl disaster which happened during the 1980s in the former USSR. So what happened is the government did not inform the people of Chernobyl that the reactor number 4 had leaked, and the people came to know after 36 hours due to an alert in Sweden, some 1,000 kilometers away. Their government had still not informed them. And before the people, some 350,000 people were evacuated. Before the people were evacuated, they already showed signs of radiation injury. Some people, upon reaching the hospital, started showing symptoms where their skin was showing a symptom of being inside out. It was so bad. It was like seeing an entirely different person day after day. The radiation was taking a toll on their bodies so hard. So, why am I making a comparison between all these things? Because I see a lot of similarities between a radiation pollution and the coronavirus pandemic. Till now, in Chernobyl, you cannot touch things. The things of the residents which are lying over there since 1986 are lying as it is because the populace which visits as tourists over there are not allowed to touch things without the government's permission, of course. So there is a radius which the people can visit in the city of Pripyat, which lies in the present day Belarus and the border of Russia. So the government is giving you days of lockdown and not even years. The Chernobyl is inhabitable for 20,000 years, as the scientists say. So 350,000 people were evacuated, but they didn't have any option. So if I put these things under perspective and we step into the shoes of these people evacuated those places with a promise by the government. Again, a false promise that within some months you'll again be resuming activities at your place. So leave your things as it is and come down to a safer place. But till date, in 2020, if you visit the city of Pripyat, you can see that the things are lying as it is. Because the scientists have forecasted that these things are having a radiation for coming 20,000 years. The coronavirus, if the lockdown is adhered, will last only for days or for months until it plateaus and significantly subsides. Now, if you think that your current residence is inhabitable for 20,000 years, how does it feel? If you think that your things will never be touched for 20,000 years, how would you feel? So, the world has seen worse things. So, relocating to a new city, having a new residence without a source of income, without having any savings. The people are allowed only 2 bags to exit the city. So just put your shoes on those people's legs, on those people's feet, and realize that how blessed we are. We have our supermarkets filled up to the brim. We have our groceries games in place. We have our vegetables delivered to our home. Some people having vegetable vendors in their radius, but some people have the luxury of getting it delivered on their home. We are all blessed. We don't need fancy clothes to stay at home. All we need is good, healthy food to eat and a safe radius to stay within the boundaries of a non infected area. What if the government says that the red area is severe and it has to be evacuated when you don't know the timeline when you will be coming back? Hope it doesn't have, God forbid. So I just, with this perspective, want all the people to realize that this is not so severe, but it still needs to be dealt with an iron fist by the government so that it doesn't become a future Chernobyl. So these are my views. If you like, thank you. If you dislike, thank you. This was my first attempt at a video. I would like your support on this so that I put my perspective, if you like, forward to you. Thank you.